Is exercise medicine for cancer? Let's find out. Even in the latter stages of the disease, exercise can treat cancer, and every dose matters. Exercise has many established advantages, but recent Edith Cowan University, ECU, research has shown just how vital it may be, even for those with advanced diseases. Men with advanced prostate cancer can alter their body's chemical environment with exercise over a 6-month period, according to earlier research from ECU's Exercise Medicine Research Institute. This can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. The scientists noticed elevated amounts of myokines, which are skeletal muscle-produced proteins that can inhibit tumor growth and even actively combat diseased cells by inducing a number of anti-cancer activities in the body. A single session of exercise, however, can raise myokines even higher and result in more cancer suppression, according to a recent Emory study. Patients with incurable, advanced cancer, where the disease has fully developed and patients have already undergone extensive treatment over many years, are most susceptible to this exercise-induced impact. Blood serum was taken before and after 34 minutes of high-intensity exercise on a stationary bike by 9 patients with late-stage prostate cancer, and again 30 minutes later. The team discovered that the serum collected immediately following this exercise session included enhanced amounts of anti-cancer myokines, which resulted in 17% less development of prostate cancer cells in vitro. After 30 minutes, serum myokine levels and cancer suppression were back to normal. Professor Rob Newton, an Emory researcher and the study's principal investigator, described it as a turning point in exercise oncology. The results of our research are especially noteworthy since they are the first to show that men with advanced prostate cancer can produce an immediate rise in anti-cancer chemicals called myokines in response to a single bout of intense exercise. This is assisting us in comprehending why cancer patients who exercise experience a slower rate of disease progression and have longer survival times. There is no therapy for these palliative patients, so they will pass away soon. But there is evidence that exercise will make people live longer, and the higher myokine levels we talked about in our most recent study are a key part of this. While there is still much research to be done, according to Professor Newton, the findings of this study may influence the advice given to cancer patients right now. The ideal amount of exercise is yet unknown, but it must involve resistance training and last at least 20 minutes each day in order to build muscle, expand the internal pharmacy's capacity, and promote the creation of myokines, according to the author. This study provides strong evidence supporting the recommendation that people with prostate cancer, and probably anyone with any type of cancer, should engage in exercise most days, if not daily, to maintain a chemical environment within their body that is suppressive of cancer cell proliferation, the authors write. Prostate Cancer and Prostatic Diseases published a study titled Acute Effect of High-Intensity Interval Aerobic Exercise on Blood Myokine Levels and Subsequent Tumor Suppressive Effect in Trained Patients with Advanced Prostate Cancer. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time.